Hi guys, this is Teacher Muriel and welcome again to my channel. Thank you so much po sa mga nanood sa aking previous videos. I appreciate that. Okay, I will just make this a very quick video since I have some classes mamayang 4 p.m. at ACADSOC. Yes, I am a part-time teacher at ACADSOC. At the same time, I am teaching at Native Camp as a full-time teacher. Okay, so if you're interested about ACADSOC, kung gusto niyo po akong gumawa ng videos about ACADSOC, just feel free to comment down below at gagawa po ako ng videos. For these videos, as I have mentioned dun sa previous videos ko, magbibigay ako ng FAQs about Native Camp. So, mabilisan lang po, i-share ko lang yung mga information na dapat yung malaman about Native Camp. So, before we start, please don't forget to subscribe in my channel and please don't forget to like my videos. Ayan guys, welcome back. Alright, here on the video, as you can see, I have used Microsoft Word to make just to make this video just very quick. Okay, so, tsaka wala po akong time mag-edit ng video, so ganito na lang po yung ginawa ko. Alright, so why Native Camp? These are the informations that you need to consider before applying at Native Camp. Okay, so why Native Camp? Of course, you can save money, time, and energy kasi makakapag-work ka online, which is work from home. And also, personally, in my experience, what I like most about Native Camp is very flexible yung schedule. So, pwede kang magpahinga kung kailan mo gusto, pwede kang mag-break kung kailan mo gusto, pwede kang umihi kung kailan mo gusto, kung ano talaga yung gusto mo time na pagtuturuan, pwede. And of course, Native Camp is a 24 hours English platform. Makakapagturo ka ng kahit magdamag. Kung kaya ng energy mo magturo buong araw, you can do it. So, wala pong time limit ang pagtuturo or walang fixed schedule ang pagtuturo sa Native Camp. Alright, yes, as what I have said, you can manage your own working schedule. So, hindi kagaya ng ibang ESL company like ACADSOC, 51 Talk, what else? Rare Job? No, I think not Rare Job. Yes, okay. For most of the companies, you don't have or you have no right to plot your schedule. Yes, it's either your manager who will be the one plotting your schedule or you have a fixed schedule. So, ito po yung isang nagustuhan ko sa Native Camp kasi as of now, madali akong mapagod magturo, nakakapagod magnganga ng magnganga buong araw, mag-English ng mag-English buong araw. So, nagustuhan ko yung Native Camp kasi kung gusto ko magpahinga, pwede. Kung gusto kong makapagtsikahan muna bago magturo, pwede. So, this is one of the good or pros of Native Camp. Okay, I can manage my own working schedule. Alright, so as I have said, Native Camp operates 24 hours. Okay, and also here it said no Skype needed. Okay, no Skype needed. Yes, totoo po ito. Kasi yung mga ibang ESL company, they use Skype as their teaching platform or QQ, Class-In. Sa ACADSOC, they use ACADSOC platform or A-Classroom, tsaka Class-In. So, you need to download those softwares before you can teach in ACADSOC. at I think the same din sa ibang ESL company. They need to download some softwares in order for them to start teaching. But here in Native Camp, you don't need any platforms. You don't no, you don't need any softwares in order to to teach at Native Camp. Okay, and even though Skype, you don't need to use Skype in teaching Native Camp. Okay, so that's one of the that's one of the good things about Native Camp. Okay, here said application process is quick and easy. Alright, it said quick because all of the process is done online. Okay, let me just get my videos folder. Okay, all of the process is done online. Okay, you don't need to inform any of your managers, uh, the admins or HR to schedule you for interview, for demo, and so on. All process is done online, automated. Yes, it's automatic. So once you fill out your information, as I mentioned in my previous lesson, tuloy-tuloy na yan. Okay? As long as may tiyaga kang mag-intay. And it said easy because madali na lang naman talaga as long as may pasensya ka at may determination kang mag-apply sa Native Camp. Kasi it's no interview, no trainings, and no experience needed. Okay? As long as natapos mo yung mga application process, you'll just need to wait for your account to be activated within the day or 24 hours. Yes. Okay, so that's it about application process. Now let's go with infinite number of students. Okay, here Native Camp is recently advertised in Japan. Yes, they just advertised Native Camp. I think last April ata or just this May. It said infinite number of students kasi Native Camp is a famous online English language school in Japan. Very sikat po si Native Camp sa Japan compared to other online English schools. Native Camp talaga yung matunog po sa Japan. So, marami pong estudyante. Alright, so aside from maraming estudyante, dumako naman tayo sa salary and incentives. Okay, ito po yung inaabangan ng mga bagong aplikante kung magkano po yung salary and incentive sa Native Camp. Alright, sa salary and incentives, you can earn as much as 20,000 to 60,000 pesos. Yes, okay, it is possible. Alright, hindi ko sinasabi na 5 hours kang mag-work sa Native Camp, 20,000 na yung sahod mo. Okay, it really depends. Kasi ako, pag nag-full time ako, let's say, nag-umpisa ako ng madaling araw, at least 8 hours a day, nakukuha ko mga 800 pesos. Yes, nakaka 800 pesos a day ako sa 8 hours na pagtuturo ko. Depende po sa inyo kasi very flexible naman siya. Kung kaya mo magturo, go. Ma-achieve mo yung goal mo na 20,000 to 60,000 pesos. Yes, kasi compared to some other ESL company na mababa po yung rate. Dito po sa Native Camp, ang tutor's fee is 60 pesos, 25 minutes. This rate is hindi siya updated. Ang updated ngayon is 80 pesos. Yes, okay. So 80 pesos po pag book slot. Alright, book slot means that may nag-book na student sa klase mo. Okay, so pag ni-reserve ka ni student as their teacher, then you will get paid 80 pesos per 25 minutes of class. While for sudden slot kasi yung tawag sa hindi ka binook ni student. Walang student na nag-book sa'yo, pero pag nag-standby ka at may pumasok na student sa classroom, ayun, sudden class ang tawag doon. So, if it's a sudden, it's 55 pesos per 25 minutes. Yes, hindi to nagbago, 55 pesos pa din up until now. Okay, so wag po kayong malito dito sa book slot and sudden slot. Kasi sa native camp talaga, merong dalawang klase ng lesson or dalawang klase ng class. Okay, yung isa, book slot, yung isa, sudden slot. Okay, book slot, pag may nag-book na student sa klase mo. Yung sudden slot, wala kang students, pero mag-i-standby ka lang sa native camp platform or sa dashboard mo. Pag may nag-enter na student sa classroom or sa dashboard mo, that is what we call sudden class. So, you will be paid 55 pesos for 25 minutes of a sudden slot. Okay, so dito sa book slot, pag wala ka, to tell you honestly, sa native ka, pag first time mo talaga, wala kang magiging student. Okay, so you'll need to go on standby. At pag may student na papasok at nagustuhan ka ni student, there's a possibility na i-book ka ulit ni student. Pero hindi ko sinasabi na dahil first time mo, wala ka talagang student. Meron po yan. Since bago po yung account nyo, na-advertise pa lang po siya sa mga estudyante. So, you'll just need to wait. Sabi ko nga, tiyagahan lang ang labanan sa native camp. Okay, so that's it. Is the tutor's fee, 80 pesos per book slot and 55 pesos per 25 minutes sa sudden slot. Malaki na yon. So, kayo na po ang bahala mag-total kung ilang oras kayong mag-work at kung ano po yung target amount nyo na masahod per cut-off or per month. So, para sa akin kasi malaki na yung 55 pesos per 25 minutes compared to any other ESL companies. Alright, so let's go on to the incentives that you'll be getting here at Native Camp. Okay, the incentives is 2,200 pesos bonus after completing 100 lesson within 2 weeks. Okay, so sa mga first timer or newbies, mga new hired na teachers ng Native Camp, pag naka 100 lessons kayo within 2 weeks after your account activations, makaka-receive po kayo ng bonus na 2,200 pesos. I don't know kung updated to, but hindi siya bababa ng 2,000. Okay? Alright, so regarding dito sa 550 pesos incentive, pag naka-complete ka ng 100 lessons per cut-off. Alright, so even those mga regular teachers na sa Native Camp, they can still be qualified here sa incentive na ito. Kasi as long as 100 lessons ka before matapos ang cut-off, meron kang 550 pesos na incentive. Okay, and here, 550 pesos incentive after you have completed 20 book lessons. Okay, book lessons without your sites cancellation within the cut-off period. Okay, so napakaraming incentives po dito sa Native Camp. Alright, and upon totaling all the incentives that you'll be getting here, it's a total of 3,300 pesos on top of your salary. Okay, so diba, ang saya na, ang daming incentives sa Native Camp. Now, for perks and benefits, okay, promos and incentives every pay period. Ito po yung every pay period. Ang sahuran po sa Native Camp is every 10th and 25th of the month. Okay, ang per cut-off is, let's say April, from 1 to 15 na sinahod mo is makukuha mo sa 25. Tapos yung 16 to 30 or 31 makukuha mo sa 10. Okay, 10th of the month. Ganun po yung sahuran. Alright, regarding training materials, it is provided. The training materials is provided. The online support is also provided. The books are scripted. Okay, so you don't need to hindi mo kailangan masyadong mag-alala sa kung paano ka mag-start magturo kasi scripted lahat ng mga books. Okay, so even though no experienced applicants can easily learn and use them. Okay, so since meron ng script, meron ng mag-guide sa inyo kung paano nyo ituturo yung mga lessons sa mga students. So it's very cool, 'di ba? Okay, hindi mo na kailangang pahirapan yung mga sarili mong gumawa ng lesson plan or babasahin mo yung lesson plan para alam mo paano mo i-explain or ipoportray si student mo. Dito sa Native Camp, everything is all scripted. Pero hindi naman yung as in talaga na parang call center na scripted na very robotic. Scripted siya pero in a way na magaling, parang nagmumukha ka talagang magaling na teachers. Parang alam mo talaga yung ginagawa mo or alam mo talaga yung pinagsasabi mo, yun pala scripted. Scripted yung mga sinasabi mo doon sa lesson. Pero of course, hindi naman lahat scripted. Of course, you should explain or you should correct your students. Okay, kung baka mali yung na-type doon na script nung ni Native Camp is yun din yung babasahin mo. So of course, you need to observe or you need to read, double check kung tama nga ba yung nasa script kasi minsan siguro nagkakamali rin yung mga gumagawa ng mga script ng lesson materials sa Native Camp. Siguro nagkakamali din sila minsan. So tao lang tayo, so kailangan din nating mag-double check. Okay, kasi tayo din namang teachers ang mapapahiya pag mali yung sinabi mo tapos magaling si student. Tapos nalaman niya na mali naman yung pinagsasabi mo, yari ka, di ba? Okay, so that's it. Now, for job requirements, I have mentioned this already in my previous lesson. Previous videos. Okay, parang nagtuturo lang ako. Alright, so you must be 20 years old and above, graduate or undergraduate, part-time or full-time, pwede, with or without teaching experience, proficient in English. Okay, dito sa proficient in English, hindi naman kailangan as in na proficient ka. So, just okay is pasok na. Okay, computer literate, yes, of course. You should be computer literate kasi kailangan mo talagang mabilis gumalaw. Hindi naman as in na mabilis, pero as in talaga kailangan mo ng computer literate ka kasi syempre, ang gagamitin mong platform na magtuturo is computer or yung mga software website, Google Chrome, okay, Microsoft Word, Google Search. So yung mga kailangan mong sabihin na hindi mo alam, pwede kang mag-search. So, you need to be computer literate. Also, you need a quiet, clutter-free, and well-lit space in your home. Of course, kailangan yan. Kasi, minsan may mga students na ayaw nila ng maingay na background. Alright, stable internet connection at least 2 Mbps. Okay. Laptop or desktop with webcam. Headset with noise cancellation. Okay, sa akin, hindi naman noise cancellation yung headset ko, pero kasi wala namang masyadong maingay sa akin background, kaya okay na din siya, pasok na rin siya. Alright, so personal email address, TIN number, BPI or PNB account for payroll. Ito lang kasi yung available na account na tinatanggap ni Native Camp. BPI or PNB. Alright, that's it, guys. These are the quick information that I can share with you about Native Camp. So, if may mga katanungan pa kayo na hindi nasagot about Native Camp, please don't hesitate to ask me or approach me. Ayun na guys, that's the information that I'll just needed to share with you about Native Camp. So I hope nakatulong ito sa inyo kung gusto nyo mag-apply sa Native Camp. Okay, thank you so much for watching my videos guys. Don't forget to like, comment, or subscribe into my channel and click the notification bell for more upcoming videos. Thank you.